Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the general manager of the Pentahotel in Rostock. I started with the company about 9 years ago as an operations manager in Pentahotel Köpenick. Then I switched 3 years later to Pentahotel Rostock as a hotel manager, and then finally took over last year leading the hotel.
Hi Alex!
Hi!
What is your idea of the perfect day?
Perfect day. I think perfect day is not getting up not too early, and of course if I have a day off, it's due to the location I have, getting out, going up to the beach, depending on the weather of course, but yeah, that'd be cool.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
I'm definitely a cat person.
What do you hope to be doing 10 years from now?
I have no idea, since I never make plans that go further than 1 or 2 years.
Surprise parties. Love them or hate them?
Depends who's responsible for the party. I think if they know me, it's okay. If they don't know me, could be that it's not too good.
If you could learn any skill, what would it be?
Anyway.
Skill?
Skill. Any skill, being more organized would help definitely.
Best sandwich ever. What's on it?
Definitely ham, tomato, and the rest surprising.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.